Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, Budget Powerhouse Unveiled. Are you on the hunt for a capable, affordable smartphone that doesn't skimp on features? Well, tech fans, feast your eyes upon the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. This device packs a serious punch at a surprisingly budget-friendly price, making it an excellent contender in the bustling mid-range market. Let's kick things off with the display. The Galaxy M15 5G boasts a generous 6.5-inch Full HD++ Super AMOLED panel. That means vivid colors, deep blacks, and excellent viewing angles, perfect for streaming videos, indulging in some mobile gaming, or just scrolling through your social feeds. And with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, everything feels incredibly fluid and responsive. Under the hood, we find the reliable MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor. This chipset offers ample power for your everyday tasks. Apps launch quickly, multitasking is smooth, and even some light gaming is definitely on the table. Combine that with 5G connectivity, and you've got a device that's ready to keep up with your fast-paced digital life, from lightning-fast downloads to seamless cloud gaming. Now, let's talk cameras. After all, we all want to capture those precious moments and share them with the world. The Galaxy M15 5G rocks a versatile triple-lens rear camera system. Its main star is a 50MP wide-angle camera, capable of snapping stunning, detail-rich photos. Accompanying this are a 5MP ultra-wide camera to capture those sweeping landscapes and a 2MP macro camera for getting those intricate close-up shots. Oh, and let's not forget the 13MP front-facing shooter, ready to capture your most share-worthy selfies. One of the standout features of the Galaxy M15 5G is its monstrous 6000 mAh battery. That's a huge capacity that translates to some serious staying power. With moderate use, you could very well squeeze 2 days out of a single charge. And when you do need to top it up, the 25 watts fast charging support has you back in action in no time. Samsung's One UI software, based on Android, adds to the appeal of this device. It offers a clean, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. You'll find plenty of customization options to make your phone feel truly yours. The Samsung Galaxy M15 5G isn't just about performance, though. It's stylish, with a sleek design, available in an array of eye-catching colors. It feels comfortable in the hand and sits comfortably in your pocket, a great balance of practicality and good looks. So, here's the deal. If you're looking for a phone that offers a great combination of features, performance, and long-lasting battery life, all without breaking the bank, the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G is definitely worth your consideration. It's a fantastic value proposition that manages to check off most of the boxes on your smartphone wish list. In a world of ever-increasing smartphone prices, the M15 5G feels like a breath of fresh air. For tech enthusiasts seeking a reliable daily driver without blowing their budget, you really can't go wrong with Samsung's latest offering. Interested to learn more? Check out the other videos in this playlist for more detailed reviews and comparisons, or even better, see the recommended videos popping up in your video description.